Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain the best settings for keyboard and mouse for beginners. Getting your setup just right can significantly improve your gaming experience and overall comfort. We'll cover essential mouse sensitivity, comfortable keyboard positioning, and smart keybinds. Understanding these fundamentals will help you build a strong foundation, allowing for more precise control and reducing strain during long sessions. Let's dive into how to optimize your peripherals for peak performance and enjoyment. For your mouse, a DPI between 400 and 800 is often ideal for beginners, offering a good balance of speed and precision. Pair this with an in-game sensitivity that allows you to comfortably perform a 360-degree turn with one full swipe of your mouse. Setting your polling rate to 1000 Hz ensures your mouse reports its position 1000 times per second, providing maximum responsiveness. Remember to disable mouse acceleration for consistent, predictable aiming. When it comes to your keyboard, ergonomic positioning is key. Place it centrally to keep your wrists straight and comfortable, preventing strain during extended use. Assign your most frequently used actions to keys easily accessible by your left hand, such as WASD for movement and surrounding keys for abilities. Don't forget to leverage modifier keys like Shift or Control for secondary functions, expanding your available keybinds without moving your hand too much. Finding your perfect settings is a journey, not a destination. Regularly practice with your new configurations to build muscle memory and make movements feel natural. Don't be afraid to make small, incremental adjustments to your DPI or sensitivity until it feels just right for you. Observing professional players can offer valuable insights, but always remember that the best settings are ultimately personal and will evolve as your skills improve. Keep experimenting and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.